Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see today, I'm just going to be doing a cute, simple cranberry eyeshadow cut crease for you guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below and keep on watching. So first and foremost, I'm starting off with the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer. And then I'm also just going to be putting tape on the side of my eye to make sure that it's very sharp and cut. And then I'm just going to be blending in that eyeshadow primer with my dry beauty blender sponge. Then I'm also going to be using the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette to create this look today for you guys. And I'm just going to be going in with the color Poppy first. And I'm also going to be using my small brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease. Then I'm just going to be going with my Dual Profusion eyeshadow brush. And I'm pointing to the color Myrtle, but I actually meant to point to the color Clove. So it was like that pretty orange color that was right next to it. And I'm basically just using that to kind of diffuse the cranberry type color and kind of make like a nice even blend. And then I'm just going to be using that same eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. Now, to be honest, guys, this is my first time using this product. I do think it's very good for the initial base, but I don't think this product is really good for cutting your crease. So just a little FYI if some of you guys are thinking about purchasing it. Next, I'm going to be going in with the color Rose. And I'm just going to use that to pop that all over my lid to create my cut crease. And then I'm just going back in with that color Poppy just to darken up the edges to kind of create that nice even blend. And then I'm just going to pop on some falsies. Now these are actually some mink lashes that I actually got off of AliExpress. So I will definitely be doing a video on these lashes for you guys, giving you more information on how much it costs, the prices, all that fun stuff. Then I'm just taking the tape off. As you guys can see, it's very nice and sharp. And then I'm just going to move on to my face, and I'm just using the No Problem face primer from Touch and Soul that I got from my last month's BoxyCharm box. Then I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm just going to dot that all over my face. And then I'm just going to use my flat face brush to kind of blend that in, especially because I do have an eyeshadow look already on my face, so I don't want it to be all smeared all over the place. And then I'm just going to be going in with my damp beauty blender that I got from e.l.f. And then I'm just going to basically blend the rest of that in to have a more clean, smooth finish. Then I'm just going to be using my Milani concealer to highlight my face. So as you guys can see, I'm putting it under my under eyes. Then I'm also going to be going into my chin, and then also the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead, and then also my smile lines. Then I'm just going to blend out all that out with that same beauty blender. I'm being careful and making sure I don't mess up that sharp edge that I already created with my eyeshadow. So blend, 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 blend. a lot of blending. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution Baking Banana Powder, and I'm basically just going to set all those places that I put the concealer so it sets in place and doesn't move. Next, I'm going to be going with my Maybelline Master Contour Kit. And then I'm just going to do a light contour on the sides of my face near my cheekbones. And also my jawline. And truth be told, I did finish filming the whole entire look and then I realized I didn't even contour my nose. So that's a little funny, but to me it's not that big of a deal. So then I'm going back in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and I'm just going to put that all over my face to set all my makeup together. And I feel like definitely when I do that, everything kind of just locks into place and it just looks super smooth. So then I'm just going to go back in with the Maybelline Contour Kit and use that pretty blush color and just apply a little bit of blush on both my cheeks. Next, I'm going to be going into my Eye Candy highlighter palette and I'm just going to be using that light color and just popping my highlighter all over the usual areas. So my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and that is the face of a satisfied person. So I'm just going to put that on the rest of my face. Eyebrows, all that good stuff. It adds like a little extra touch, a little extra flair. Then I'm just going to be finishing everything with using my NYX Dewy Finishing Spray. And we are all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys recreate this look, definitely let me know in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next one.